Can you see this tower? That is the PR I have received this month. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक PR haul कर दूँ. And for your context, this is not just it. यहाँ पे नीचे और 4 चीज़ें हैं which are literally falling down miserably. As always, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this. So I'll say the rules in between the video. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let me do one thing. मैं एक box लेके आती हूँ. उसमें I'm just gonna dump all the giveaway products and show you कि मैं exactly क्या-क्या products देने वाली हूँ आपको in the upcoming days. First one we have Plum. Plum Goodness has sent 2 of their sunscreens. This is the mango and the green tea one. Look how cute it looks. The biggest basket I received was from Dermafique. मैंने उनका event attend किया है, so मेरे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. First one is the sunscreen. Next one we have the toner, pore minimizing toner. Very excited to try. We have a face wash over here. Then we have a detan pigmentation serum. I'm gonna try to keep this in the giveaway. We have a shower mousse and it has plants on it. So I think I'm really excited to try this. Then we have body serum for dry skin. Again, it has plants on it. What is happening? We also have a hyaluronic acid serum. I'm gonna try to keep it in a giveaway. And yeah, that was it for Dermafique. Then I have TF Beauty. T-Fit Beauty, not sorry, TF nahi, T-Fit Beauty. This is the primer which I have. I have a cushion foundation and a color corrector. ये देख के मैं सबसे ज़्यादा excite हुई because it looked super interesting, you guys. Love to make videos on it. Look at this. It looks very exciting, so I'm just gonna keep it aside. So again, this is a different bag, don't worry. I have received some Korean skincare. I'm actually working with a brand, one of my absolute favorite brands, Axis Y. It is their famous serums toner. I also have a cream and a eye cream. बहुत ही प्यारे हैं. I have tried it and oh my god, I have some crazy thoughts about this, so I have received that. Next up we have Nykaa. अगर आपने shorts देखा होगा तो आपको पता है इसमें क्या है, but I'll just quickly run you through what I've received. उनका pink summer sale आ रहा है, so you know, or is it running? So they just sent me this and I created a video because it was a mystery bag for me as well. So first up we have detangle remover, like frizz control remover. Then we have the Bioderma cleanser. ये giveaway में जा रहा है. Then I have the Sunscoop SPF. I have finished 1 bottle of it already. Then I have the Faces Canada lipstick going in the giveaway. We have the Nude Unstoppable sunscreen going in giveaway because I have a lot of sunscreens. As you saw, we have the Kamasi razor, another sunscreen. We have a perfume from Carlington going in giveaway. We have a Lakme skin tint. Then we have a Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Plum shampoo, and lastly a Etude water tint, which is also going in the giveaway. That was the Nykaa bag. What should we try from here? Okay, let's take out this one. This is from Tipsy Beauty. They have launched new lipsticks. So I have this. This is the Cocoa Peptide lipstick. Unki packaging, just oh my god. How cute is that? I mean, I saw and I felt like eating it, although, you know, it looks, it's packaging. So it's basically packaged with performance, infused with vegan and vegan vibes and cruelty-free joy. So we have 3 shades over here. These are the lipsticks. Again, I want to do a swatch video, so I've kept them out for a video. So thank you so much, Tipsy Beauty. This is from Pixie Beauty. You can see how cute. मतलब जब मैंने देखा, I was so like, what is that? Like literally, what is that? So आप अगर इसको ऐसे open करते हो and just to tada! How cute. These are their newly launched lip tints. मैंने try किए हैं. I have my thoughts on it. I am actually, मैंने ये पैकेजिंग में इसलिए रखा है because मुझे एक वीडियो बनाना है, but oh my god, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm just gonna keep 1 lip tint and 4 others I'm gonna go and keep it under the giveaway section for you guys. So मैं अभी के लिए ये वीडियो के बेसिस के लिए मैं इसको पैक्ड रख रही हूँ, but how cute. We have the Juicy Chemistry. उन्होंने मुझे 3 serums भेजे हैं, vitamin C, alpha butene and lactic acid serum. I'm not sure which one I want as of now for my skin needs. I'll probably keep it aside, but definitely I'm gonna give 2 of these for the giveaway because I want you guys to use the products as well. Okay, next up I have Clayco over here. So from Clayco I have the sunscreen जो separate आया था. So I have their sunscreen. I've also made a video on it. I absolutely love it. And they also have a newly launched moisturizer. पता है इसकी पैकेजिंग कैसे लगती है? हम बचपन में वो एक आइसक्रीम खाते थे which was literally shaped as the fruit of the flavor of the ice cream. I don't know what, like, I don't know if you're getting it, but it looks like that. This is so cute. So thank you so much Clayco for this. Next up I have Milk Touch. Oh my god, a Korean makeup brand has sent me. इसका पैकेजिंग बहुत ही क्यूट है. If you just switch it open, you can see बहुत बड़ा एक मिरर है. And then I have 4 foundations. I tried one yesterday. वो मेरे शेड का नहीं. I felt like it was a little bit lighter, although the swatch was same. तो मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ? मैं literally I'm gonna swatch the darker one. This is the 27N one, and of course I'm gonna give 3 others for giveaway because I probably don't need like 4 foundations. I already have so many foundations, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. But it looks super cute. Like मैं अगर खोल के बताऊँ, isn't this the cutest thing you've seen? इसको ऐसे press करके you open it. It is so cute. I mean, come on, look at it. Next product is another Korean skincare which is called as Sungwoon Editor. Heard so many things yesterday. I tried this out and I was like, okay, what? This is so good. So I have their latest launch of the green tomato ampule. We have a toner, we have a serum, we have a cream, we have a powder wash. So I might give like 2 or 3 products in my giveaway. So yeah, it depends. Let me just, you know, but the toner I absolutely love, the serum I absolutely love. So I'm thinking I'll just keep that, you know, for my dry skin because it is suffering a lot right now. But yeah, you guys might be wondering why am I doing keeping all of these in giveaway, because I'm gonna hit 100k super soon on my Instagram. So that is why I'm just keeping that so I can give back to you guys as much as I can. एक और चीज़ मैं बताना भूल गई is Love Beauty and Planet. This is the shampoo and mask they have sent me. This is the latest launch. Again, I just forgot the box at my house, so I'm just showing this to you. But Love Beauty and Planet, I've been a religious user of this brand for the past 2 years, and I'm so grateful that they are sending me PR and they want to work with me. And you might have seen my MT's videos. There is always a Love Beauty and Planet MT in that MT's video. So thank you so much. Lastly, again a product, a brand which I really love, Be Body Wise. They have sent me a box. और ये आज सुबह ही आया and I saw it. It was like, it is so cute. It is summers, but literally if I see it outside my window, it is like almost raining. There are clouds. So उन्होंने मुझे एक hat भेजी है, which looks super cute. I'm gonna wear it throughout the video now. They have a bag tag and I have stickers. कितने cute stickers है. And then they have just sent me the latest launch of their sunscreen. This is the ultra light SPF sunscreen from Be Body Wise. So it is looking pretty cute, you can say. And it also has a mirror, which is a cute little mirror. You can see yourself. So that is what Be Body Wise has sent me. Let me show you. मैंने giveaway के bag में कितनी items रखे, and this is not even like I haven't even added stuff from the other boxes. This is just what I randomly put in the basket. This is, I would say, half of what I'm gonna give away to you guys. Okay, so if you want to win this giveaway, I am going to be uploading stories every Saturday and Sunday about giveaway on my Instagram. So go ahead and check out my Instagram over here. Every week I'm going to be doing giveaway. I'm gonna give like 3 to 4 products every single week on my Instagram stories. So go ahead, check it out. Thank you so much for watching my PR haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.